Diego's Vault.
So what we have here is the GOAT Twinkie, the Honda list.
You turn on my music
Because it's copyrighted for 2 seconds. This shit look very easy to do. The time will probably be out in like literally 30 minutes. The harness all the way out the side, unplug everything, make sure everything's unbolted, yada yada yada. Drain everything, subframe then drop. And repeat.
Diego's Vault.
All right, so I know y'all probably was like, wait a minute, aren't they swapping that motor over there? And what the fuck are they doing? Twinkie, what are we doing? You don't know? Nope. All right, well, he don't want to talk to y'all, so.
This is my thing.
We painting this whole thing. We're painting the engine bay.
You see.
And a spur of, what is it gonna call it? Spur of fucking, impulse. Spur of autism. Yeah, fuck it. Fuck it, impulse. Spur of autism. But nah, it's already dirty. He's got a valid point. He just want to do quality work, so we're gonna paint it. Hey guys, just want to take a brief moment to thank our sponsors. As you know, with YouTube, you can't use copyrighted music. So our sponsors are me, and every single background song or intro song you've heard is one of our beats that we've made and produced. We also make more and also record and engineer. If you're interested in also needing some uncopyrighted music for YouTube, Instagram, other content, let us know and we'll get to you. Our Instagram's up right here. Just endured blistering cold fucking waters to wash the car. Because we going to a car meet tonight. Share out a little bit of the car culture and the DMV.
Diego's Vault.
seen so many RS300s at one meet. There's like 4 or 5 of them. Okay, it's a sign. Guys, I got a fin size. Ooh, nice GRERs over there. So I'm doing YouTube content all the time, so.
That's straight. I would too if I was out here.
And you're already wearing the beanie, so it's perfect.
Paradise, sponsored by Paradise.
All right, quick elevator pitch, your build, and shout out to your YouTube channel as well.
So, One Stop PK on Instagram.
I'll put them in,
and YouTube, but
I'll put them in the description. Well, I'll put it on right here on.
that's right.
Yeah.
Still got little stuff going on, but I'm gonna get it straight once I go boost it.
Very nice, very nice. He's all motored now. He's gonna go boost in a little while. It's the winter season, so.
Little Civic getting attention. What's going on over
I ain't
here?
pop my hood. Just the usual YouTube channel bullshit. I don't know how much I'm out to. Oh, that shouldn't be copyrighted, right? I should be straight. Hopefully.
It should be. I don't know how you could avoid that, but
Exactly. Oh, this is
Paradise.
always. You do great work.
It's warm actually. This shit actually
Quality products.
warm.
He was very persistent on the beans being nice. Now we're trying to find to get better shirts too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, our shirt got messed up for the first batch, so we didn't get a new batch of shirts this year.
For holiday too.
No, hopefully we should have them for Honda Day. Hopefully, but if not, we'll just have the usual stuff. We're really focused on racing. We're trying to get the car ready.
Oh,
The EG.
EG.
Yeah, we'll probably start. Honestly, Twiggy wanted to start it this week, but I think we're missing one thing to start putting it together. So tonight we'll start putting the EG together.
I'm gonna drop the car off actually at the end of this month, maybe if everything goes well. So
Perfect. Check them
yeah,
out.
boost it for Honda Day.
Oh, yeah,
Try to
definitely.
stay out there the 3 days. So
Yes, definitely stay out there all 3 days. I'm trying to figure out if I'm just going to go on E, if I'm gonna run it, if I'm gonna do some other shit, if I'm gonna boost
you're
it.
not on E yet.
No, I'm not on E yet. I just got my the whole fuel system and stuff. I just got my fuel pump now, but I got the fuel lines, the injectors,
What
the
fuel pump
gauge.
you going?
Probably maybe the 450. Okay, 450. Pops would know better, honestly. I let him handle all that stuff. Well, most of that stuff.
I got the 255 right now. I could get a second. I just have to get a second fuel pump because my fuel hanger, it's what is it? It's a radium shit from
Oh, yeah.
JPR or JRP.
JRP.
So I can run a second fuel pump, so
Damn.
I can run 2 fuel pumps on there. So
Oh.
I can run.
That way you get more fuel, definitely.
Yeah.
If you run the two 255s, then yeah, you should be straight. This is my boy's Neon up here. That Joan Boogie. Sir, I would like to hear some blow off, sir. Please and thank you. God, when did they get 5 deep? Yeah, I pulled in behind one, so they was already prepared. It's a good turnout, though. I didn't even see the cars over here yet.
That's definitely a step better than I expected.
Yeah, honestly, for a random winter meet, I said fuck. That I might not do. I was thinking about it, but I want to.
Let me stop before I go.
Diego's Vault.